Hi, my name is Kimberly Harris, and today we're going to be talking about the average rate of change. This is section 3.3 of your book on page 228. All I've done is gone ahead and written down the formula to find average rate of change, which is just a change in y over the change of x. You can find that by using the function of b minus the function of a over b minus a, where a cannot equal b. If a and b are the same number, then there's no change. So your average rate would be 0. Okay, so I've gone ahead and written down example 7. This is on page 229 of your book. The question asked, find the average rate of change of the function of x equals 3x squared from 1 to 3. Alright, so a is going to be 1, b is going to be 3, and you're just going to plug this into the formula up here. Alright, so let's see what that looks like. So, like I said, I'm just going to plug in these numbers. 3 is b, alright, and then 1 is a, alright. Now, all I'm going to do is anywhere that I see an x in this formula right here, we're going to plug in these numbers. So, for example, it'd be 3 times 3 squared minus 3 times 1 squared, okay? Over 3 minus 1. And that should give you 27 minus 3 over 3 minus 1. And when we simplify that, we'll get 12. So your average rate of change from 1 to 3 in this situation is 12, which it's easier to think about this more like a distance than an actual point. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on down. This is the exact same situation, except now we're going to find the rate of change from 1 to 5. And again, we're just going to plug in our numbers. 1 is A, 5 is B. I'm going to plug that in, and then plug in 1 and 5 into our formula up here. Anywhere you see an X, you're going to plug in these numbers. So this will be 3 times 5 squared, okay, minus 3 times 1 squared over 5 minus 1. And when we simplify that, we get 75 minus 3, over 5 minus 1. And that will be 18. So our average rate of change from 1 to 5 is 18. Alright, and this is the very last one. It's the same situation. Now we're just finding the rate of change from 1 to 7. And it's just like the others. We're just going to plug A and B into our formula. Alright. Then we're going to plug it in over here. 3 times B, which is 7, squared, minus 3 times A, which is 1, squared, over 7 minus 1. We simplify that and get 147 minus 3 over 6, and we further simplify that to 24. So the average rate of change from 1 to 7 in this situation is 24. Alright, so that's pretty much all you need to know as far as how to calculate the average rate of change. By looking at these numbers, from 12 to 18 to 24, you can see that it is a positive function. Alright. And that is all you need to know as far as the average rate of change. Have a great day.